The market theme: war with Iran, elevated oil prices, high tariffs, stubborn inflation, and persistent FII outflows, yet no major headwind appears capable of denting India's resilient economy or the underlying strength at Dalal Street. The 5 key highlights: 1. GST, the historic high factor. The April 2026 GST collection hit a staggering 2.43 lakh rupees crore, an 8.7% YoY increase and the highest since the tax's inception. 2. S&P 500 and Nasdaq 100 closed at fresh record highs. 3. Crude oil prices slipped towards $101 a barrel, easing some inflation concerns. 4. Hopes continue to build that the fragile Iran ceasefire could eventually pave the way for lasting peace in the Middle East. 5. Political suspense remains alive ahead of 4th May Assembly election results. Investors will be closely tracking whether BJP can capture West Bengal from the Trinamool Congress while also making significant electoral gains in Kerala and Tamil Nadu. Long story short, expect Nifty 50 to witness wild swings and heightened volatility, although the broader undertone remains uncertain. Market trends. The global cues are positive. In Thursday's negative session, FIIs sold to the tune of Rs 8048 crores while DIIs turned out to be net buyers to the tune of Rs 3487 crores. Sentiments are likely to be risky for Nifty. Market breadth for the day is likely to be neutral. Nifty's technicals indicate slight overbought technical conditions, and hence consolidation should be the preferred theme. Fanome month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 23,000 and 25,000 zone. India VIX, the fear index is hovering near 18.45 levels. At last check, USD INR, May, had spiked near 95.11 levels. Nifty PCR, 28th May, is at 1.12 levels. Bank Nifty PCR is at 0.88. FIN Nifty PCR is at 0.45. Midcap Nifty is at 1.02. Nifty Outlook. Nifty's intraday mood is likely to be more volatile in nature, at times range-bound and indecisiveness dominating sentiment while the session could eventually end on a fragile note. What technicals tells on Nifty and Bank Nifty? Nifty, CMP to 3998. Biggest make-or-break support for Nifty is now placed at 23,797 on closing basis. Immediate resistance is placed only at the 24,335 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 23,800 and 24,200. Bias for the day is neutral. Sensex, CMP 76914. Biggest make-break support is placed only at 76,250 mark on closing basis. Immediate resistance is placed at 78,100 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 76,500 to 77,500. Bias for the day is neutral. Bank Nifty, CMP 54863. Bank Nifty's biggest support is at 54,300 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest resistance is at 56,300 mark on closing basis. Bank Nifty's range of day is likely to be between 54,400 and 55,400. Bias for the day is neutral. Stock market news. In last week's trade, the negative takeaway was that Nifty 50 once again closed below the psychological 24,000 mark, signaling that bears remain in command and that the market clearly lacks a major impetus for a meaningful move northward. The Gyan mantra continues to stay nimble and light on leveraged long positions, as keeping bullish traders on edge were continued FII outflows, as foreign investors remained risk-averse amid rising crude prices and geopolitical uncertainty. Notably, the FII exodus has deepened in 2026 to 1.93 lakh rupees crore, while April outflows had swelled to 70,136 crore rupees. Stocks in spotlight. Key Q4 earnings today, Monday, 4th May. Derivative. Computer Age MGMT SVC, CAMS. Exide. Ambuja Siemens. Tata Technologies. Aditya Birla Capital. Cash segment. Latent View Analytics. Aarti Industries. Tata Chemical. 5th May 2026. Derivative. Coforge. Mahindra & Mahindra. Marico. Hero MotoCorp. Stocks in spotlight. 1. Force Motors dropped 5.5% in Friday's trade as its PAT fell 36% YoY to 279 crore rupees. 2. Navin Fluorine International rose 0.92% after a strong show. Asterisk PAT up 124% YoY to 213 crore rupees. Asterisk revenue up 34% YoY. 3. Kafin Technologies tumbled 8.35% as PAT dipped 5% YoY despite 23% revenue growth. 4. Indian Overseas Bank, minus 0.48%, consolidated reported strong numbers with PAT up 43% YoY to 1,505 crore rupees. 5. Bajaj Finance, plus 0.75%, gained as asterisk PAT up tilde 22% YoY to 5,465 crore rupees. Asterisk revenue up 18% YoY. 6. Adani Power gained 1.17% as PAT surged 64% YoY to 4,271 crore rupees, the revenue remained flat. 7. Bajaj Finserv, minus 0.96%, reported a steady Q4 FY26, with revenue from operations rising 5.65% YoY to 38,494 crore rupees, compared to 36,433 crore rupees in the year-ago quarter. 8. The Street will react to DMart's Q4 numbers where the firm has reported a 19.17% year-on-year rise in its consolidated net profit at 656.42 crore rupees in the March quarter of FY26.